check this out. I got this Toloco, upside down, Toloco percussion massage gun. And it's the T11 Pro. And I got this because, back. Okay, so let's check this out. So inside the box comes another box. There we go. And nice little carrying case for it. Inside there, open this up. Oh, and here we go. So we've got there's the massager there, so we can look at it. It's got 3 different, where's the camera there? 3 different speeds, it looks like, on there. And then obviously we put the little massaging tip. So this rubbery one looks pretty cool. Stick that in there. And on the bottom, we have the on-off switch. So turn it on. And oh good, we already have some battery on there, so it comes with some battery. And I'll push it. And whoa, check it out. Oh, that is good. Okay, so this is the best thing ever. Okay, so oh man. And then let's see, let's try. I'm gonna put it on super high. Oh, and I don't know, for me that's a little too high. But man, that is sweet. So it comes with, you can see I've got this head on it. I can take off this one here, which is kind of like a little bouncy one. This one here would probably be good to put to go on the sides of your spine. I don't know, man. Whew. I don't know. Whoop, fell out. And then we've got this one here, which is kind of a flat one, just different areas, I guess. It comes with all sorts of different ones here. Here's a little foam ball. This one probably would feel good anywhere. This one here, probably precision. Got a certain place. Oh, this one here is even more so if you just want to dig into one area. But this is a nice little massager, and it comes with, I see here, it's got the charger, so the AC adapter. The little charger plugs into the bottom of the battery, and then the plug for it. So we turn off the battery, and it's got little, you can take off the battery so you can charge it, separately, make it easy. Pretty cool. I really like this. This is nice. So it's the Toloco T11 Pro, and it's a nice little massager. This is coming definitely handy. I like it.